That what? What were you saying before?
Oh, there was two coming behind you, and I was shooting past you. You were at the Jeep. I was like, hold on. I was trying to yell at you to do the bang bang real quick.
Oh, I got one.
Yeah. I got the other one. I got shot right here.
Yeah, I got shot twice right here in the screen. All right, come on.
Well, there's like 5 of them.
Oh, right there. He's right there. Come on, you're getting hit. Caught a hit. Hit. Come on, man.